So just watch out for that. Moving into the back on market properties, we see this frequently. Usually every week we have about a third, just about a third of the real estate inventory that sells. We have about that number reflected in those properties that fall out of escrow. These are properties that were on the market, have then become under contract with a buyer, and then they come back onto the market because they've fallen out of escrow. Lots of different reasons for this. First and foremost, though, it usually isn't a result of something discovered in the home. It's usually a buyer issue. Maybe the buyer changed their mind, but typically it's not real estate related as far as the subject property goes, the property that they're in escrow with. It usually comes from the outside. Maybe they've had some change in employment. Maybe they've had their hours cut, God forbid. Maybe the economy's gotten to them, and maybe they went out and tried to finance something or have their credit run for a motor vehicle within the escrow process. That's a problem. So any credit change for you buyers out there, anything you want to do, whether it's pay off a credit card, which of course in all intents and purposes, we would all think that's cool,